Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. Today's recipe is oven grilled tilapia. It's actually very easy to make. I hope you enjoy watching the video. First off is to prepare the marinade by blending the ingredients. The list will be in the description box below. Once you've blended all the ingredients, the next thing is to add your sesame oil into the marinade. Then add Suya pepper and some fish seasoning. I'll put out the quantities that you would need to add in the description box. Mix all the ingredients into the marinade. Mix all the spices into the marinade. Make sure they're properly mixed. And yeah, that's basically what the marinade is made up of. And then over to the fish now. You need to slit the fish into maybe 3 slits on each side. And then basically this is to ensure that the marinade infuses into every part of the fish. Then the next thing will be to lavish the marinade on the fish. Basically spread the marinade on the fish in every corner that you can get into. And then once that is done, put the fish in a bowl, cover with cling film, and leave to marinate for an hour or more. I mean, you can do it overnight if you have the time, but I marinated mine for an hour. Once that is done, put it on your rack and then pop it into the oven. Once you've popped it into the oven, after 15 minutes, check it and possibly top it up with more marinade if you feel that it is dry. Sometimes it can look dry, so in order to moisten it, add a little bit more marinade to it. Grill for another 15 minutes, and that's pretty much it, guys. There you have your sumptuous moist tilapia served with roasted plantain. Please subscribe to my channel, like and put your comments in the comment section below. Also turn on notifications to see so you can be alerted when I post new videos. See you next time. Bye bye.